And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Okay, weather history tonight. Arctic cold on this date, 1951. We had highs of 2 to 8 degrees, and we had lows as low as minus 19 in our area over a snowpack of about 3 to 8 inches. Thing was, just a few days after that Arctic blast, we had a pretty big winter storm here. We had up to 13 inches of snow, and we had a lot of ice in our southern counties with about 4 inches of snow on top of that. These were the lows on December 17, 1951, minus 17. Lafayette, minus 17. Winamac, 17 below Rensselaer, minus 19 at Wheatfield, and even Petersburg, 15 degrees below zero. At least we've got a bit of a warm up in this forecast, but not before at least some areas of freezing fog tonight. So there'll be frost on the car to scrape in the morning and perhaps some patchy black ice. And also, even though it doesn't look like really dense freezing fog, it's still going to be around. I think visibilities could drop around to a mile or so in places. And then perhaps a little very light freezing drizzle in our northwest counties tomorrow night. And then the rain, some drizzle, foggy conditions, and then perhaps some snow. Tonight will be in the teens area wide from the 13 at Remington to the 14 Lafayette and Frankfort and 15 at Peru and Kokomo. And tomorrow, anywhere from 32 in the north to as high as 37 at Crawfordsville and Covington, 35 Lafayette, 35 at Frankfort. Then on Thursday, upper 30s to mid 40s, 44 Kingman, 42 Romney, Linden, Attica, and 39 at Monticello. So some areas of freezing fog tonight will give way to a partly cloudy sky tomorrow. This is about 4 in the afternoon. Then low clouds overspread the area tomorrow night. We may drop to freezing and then start to rise, but where the temperature hovers around freezing early Thursday morning up here in Pulaski, Northern White, Newton and Jasper County, as the warm air really overrides the cold air at the surface, there may be again a little very light freezing drizzle up there. Then it's overcast Thursday, kind of windy, even kind of windy tomorrow, and we'll see some patchy drizzle and even a few rain showers develop late Thursday and into Thursday night. And then actually later on Thursday night into Friday morning, I think pretty widespread area of light to moderate rain across the area before that pulls away by early Friday afternoon. And then some colder air comes in. We may see a little bit of light snow on early Saturday, perhaps as late as early Saturday afternoon. And then that is the low to watch. Thing is, it's going to have tremendous moisture. It's going to strengthen. So for one thing, it's going to have a lot of warm air coming up from the south. So we could have 60s in Ohio and flooding rain from Ohio and Kentucky into Tennessee. Some places up to 7 inches. Even southern Indiana, southeast Indiana could get 3 inches out of this. So flooding issues there. But as for us, it appears, I just looked at the Canadian model, European model, and the U.S. long-range forecast model, and it's got the low coming up through pretty much right along the Ohio River, putting the heavy snow in our area. Now that could change, definitely, but at least some snow for us, and certainly quite a bit of wind because of the low is here, and there's a high pressure, and we'll be really squeezing in a pretty stiff northeast to north wind. So it's late in the weekend, and perhaps to Monday that we need to watch. You know, where is that heavy snow band going to occur? And it has the potential to be here. 24 on Monday, though, and then only 24 on Tuesday after our meltdown on Thursday and Friday.
So it looks like it's going to tease us a little bit.
It is. We've really got to watch that system because if it tracks the way it looks right now, it could really be, you know, a lot of snow for us.
Okay, well, we will definitely keep an eye on that.
Sure.
And Rob, we're talking Purdue men's basketball.
Purdue hoops looking to bounce back from Saturday's loss